Nice pass, I'm open. Over here.
Medic, we need help over here. Oh, it hurts.
We need help now. Call someone.
You're gonna be okay. We're right here with you.
We're at the stadium, entrance 7. Please hurry.
Which way did they say the ambulance is coming?
Just send help now.
Where is this stadium entrance? The GPS is jumping. It says gate 5, but we passed that a mile back. We need to turn around now.
Jack, hang in there. We need some space. Move back, please.
Trauma alert, hypotensive, GCS is 8.
All right, let's move. Vitals, CBC, cross-match, loud and clear.
Moving to Rhesus 1.
I'm so sorry. He suffered severe blood loss, and the delayed treatment made it impossible to stop the bleeding.
This can happen with your loved ones. My question is, are you prepared? Would you panic? Would you wait helplessly? Or would you know how to save a life? A medical emergency can happen anytime to you or someone you love. Will you be prepared to help when every second counts? Don't wait for an emergency to realize the importance of first aid training. Contact Najma Consultancy today and book your first aid training, because it's all about you.
For further queries and consultation, feel free to get in touch with us. We will be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.